Hello, my name is Beth Wagner, physical therapist. Today I bring you a comparison video of the OAS Air Pro and Ultra power wheelchairs from the first-hand experience of a full-time wheelchair user. Let's meet Donnie and ask him and his wife Karen what they think about these wheelchairs. Hello Donnie, hello Karen.
Hello.
Hello.
Well, I look forward to watching you drive the wheelchairs here, but first I'd like to start with just sharing a little bit about what worked best and what maybe didn't work quite so well for you.
Okay.
And thank you for being with us today and sharing your
Yeah,
experiences.
Good.
And first we will start with the Air Pro. That was the first one that you tried. It's meant to be
Yes.
more lightweight and portable.
Yes, that's the one he's in right now. So Donnie, this one here, what did you like about this chair?
It's easy to get in.
Easy to get in and easy to drive, huh?
For me, it was.
Yeah, you could go around on a dime. That's a real plus, I think, with both of these chairs. They're very maneuverable.
Okay.
I'm not a very good driver.
He used to be, but he's not so much anymore. And his caregivers, they liked the idea. They said he has to be repositioned a lot because to take weight off his pressure. If he's getting any pressure shores or anything, that the easy access from the side made it easy for them to reposition him. And they also liked the fact that the arms flip back very easily, and the foot thing also.
The foot plate folds up.
Yeah, folds up and then flips down really easy. What did you dislike about this one?
Nothing so far.
Nothing so far, but before I bought you this cushion for the back.
The back had a bar across the back.
Some of the cons, besides him with the bar in the back for us, he needs these cushions. Not everybody does, but he does. And so there's no support on the side to keep them in, so they kind of bulge out. But I mean, I think I'm kind of a MacGyver person. I think I could figure that one out,
Yeah.
to be honest with you. All of us didn't have really any problem just holding on to this round part in the back. But we did feel it was easier on the other one that had the little handles. So that would be kind of nice. And then the other thing is, on our garage, we have a small bump. This one you have to help over. The other one can get over by itself. And it didn't say this in anything that I read, but to put him in the wheelchair, we discovered that you put it in an electric bulb and it locks the wheels. It'd be nice if they kind of printed it in their information sheet. Anything else you want to say, Donnie?
No.
No. I like it's nice and light, which is great. It can fit in the back of my Subaru or the back of our van. So if he was in his bigger wheelchair and we went to the beach and we needed to transfer him, we could take this one if we wanted an electric one.
Perfect.
So that was a plus. I think as far as the adaptability for people that are helping him use it.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that, and let's go ahead and take it for a spin.
Are you going to keep up with me?
I'm going to
Or
try.
you want to go slower? Okay, now we're going to go to the street so that they can take a picture of it going over the bump. Because this is kind of something that most people would be kind of common for them to find.
It's a scary moment.
Oh, you did it. It was a scary moment? Okay. There we go. Okay, now go straight.
Okay, now let's switch gears to the OAS Ultra. So
Yes.
this is the second chair that you tried. It's designed to be more comfortable and to offer more support.
It was comfortable.
It is more comfortable, right? You don't feel the bar in the back, do you?
No.
Okay. And then What else do you like about it?
It's wide enough.
Yeah, okay, it's wider than the other ones. For somebody your size, this is the better size. The caregivers liked the handles, and we actually liked it because it had the better support and because it does have this bar that runs on the side that helps keeps his posy here. Now, not everybody needs this. He needs it because of his arm injury. What we didn't like about this chair, which was major compared to the other chair, was the legs, because he's a heavy transfer. So unless we take these legs off and cover these up, every time we'll cut his calf. You know,
That's
almost every time. We've done it on all kinds of chairs, cut his calf. For somebody that doesn't have to have the transfer, it's not a problem. But for him, it would always be the problem. So that is just such a major flaw to us. I would never recommend it for somebody that needed to be transferred. Overall, we think it's a nicer, better, more comfortable chair. Now, what else do you want to ask us or him?
Yes, well, I'd like to see you take it for a spin and
Okay.
see how you do driving and getting in and out of the van.
Okay. You could be a big speed demon this time because this chair is better. Huh? So go down to this shade spot over to the edge, and that's where we're going to stop. Okay, Donnie? It's nice to walk with you. Okay, now go up. Let's see how this goes. Go to the right.
And now with both of these chairs, we can also go into manual mode and then have a caregiver assist by pushing up the ramp. And of course, the motor has to be switched from electric to manual mode, and then push up. And the Ultra is much easier to push with these caregiver handles. And that's a wrap on this comparison video between the OAS Air Pro and OAS Air Ultra electric wheelchairs. For more information about the OAS wheelchairs, please click the link in the description below to go to their website, and be sure to use my unique discount code, also listed in the description below. If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.